Hello beautiful people! Today we're making the most popular dish in Indonesia. We will make it with seafood, with a twist, and in my own version. The nasi goreng is exceptional and packed with flavor. You have the crisp of the prawn crackers, the freshness of the tomatoes and cucumbers, and the beautiful kick and spiciness in the rice. You can make this simple and quick dish in no time. I am 100% sure that you are gonna love it. When I was in Bali, Indonesia, wherever I went out, wherever I was, there was always someone eating this famous nasi goreng. This dish is so popular, you can find it in every corner of the country. There is so many ways and recipes you can make this beautiful nasi goreng. But today, in my version, I'm gonna add to it a beautiful seafood selection. Lobster, shrimps, squids. It is gonna be gorgeous. And by the way, if you wanna check out my Bali vlogs, you can find the link in my description below. Let's start talk about the products that we require to make this beautiful nasi goreng dish. With seafood, we need sweet soya sauce, canola oil, onions, garlic, Thai chili, lemongrass. The lemongrass have an exceptional flavor and it will give the dish a kick. Shrimp paste. Do not be afraid of the shrimp paste. I know it smells funky, but it will give the dish a distinguished flavor. Green beans, lobster, squids, shrimps, and jasmine rice. And to finalize the dish, we require those essentials because they will create a certain balance of freshness, crunchiness with the rice in the same time. Cucumbers, tomato, egg, and prawn crackers. You can always find the prawn crackers in any Asian shop. Beautiful people, choosing your product is always essential. You always have to choose the best quality you can find in the market. This is an absolute must. Let's start by making the mise en place. At first, in a mortar pestle, we're gonna add the chili, the garlic, the lemongrass, the onions. We're gonna crush them into a thick paste. And then we're gonna finalize it by adding the shrimp paste and then we're gonna mix it again. And that's the base for our recipe. The second step, we are gonna make a fried egg. It's very simple. We're gonna add the oil, add the egg, fry it, and then put it on the side. We're almost done with the mise en place. Let's make the prawn crackers. In a wok, on a high heat, we are gonna deep fry the prawn crackers. Once they float on the top, it means they're finished. We're gonna set them aside. And by the way, if you're looking for the written recipe, you can go to my website, www.marcabed.com, abed.com. You can find the link in my description below. This is where finally we're gonna make this beautiful nasi goreng dish. In a wok, we can add the oil, we can add the chili mixture, you're gonna feel a lot of beautiful aroma, and this is all because of the shrimp paste. We can add the lobster chunks, the squids, the prawns. Do not over dry the seafood selection. Once they're done, we can add the beans. The beans can give it a beautiful crispiness to the dish. We're gonna add the entire seasoning, the sweet soya sauce, the soya sauce. How do you like your nasi goreng usually? Do you like it sweet? Do you like it chili? You can add a bit of chili if you like. Everything really depends what you like. You can always make adjustment to the dish. Once everything is properly cooked, we are gonna finalize it with the rice. We're gonna mix everything properly. And by the way, I always like to burn the rice just a little bit because I like my rice to be crispy. What about you? How you like it? Now this is where we're gonna finalize the dish by adding the prawn crackers, the tomato, the cucumber, and the fried egg on the top. Oh my god, that looks so beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. What I really love about this dish, it is very well balanced. I really loved the kick of the shrimp paste. It's sweet, it's chili, it have a lot of seafood flavors. The rice is crispy. I really love this dish. That is really, really good.